Hey guys, welcome to YDS Competitive World. Are you ready to test your environment and ecology knowledge and boost your exam preparation? In this video, we will go through some important MCQs on environment and ecology. Perfect for State PSC, SSC CGL, RRB NTPC, RRB JE, Group D, and other competitive exams. All these questions were taken from previous year exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's start with the first question. The Indian Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change maintains a log of all the dangerous species of India along with their conservation status. What is the name of this book? Option E, the Black Book. Option B, the Red Data Book. Option C, Indian Life Catalogue. Option D, the Book of Endangered Species. Option B, the Red Data Book is the correct answer. Second question. After realizing the deadly effects of depleting the ozone layer, under which program was the decision taken to ban the usage of chlorofluorocarbon? Option A, United Nations Development Program. Option B, Natural State Environmental Program. Option C, United Nations Environment Program. Option D, Federal Energy Management Program. Option C, United Nations Environment Program is the correct answer. Third question. Which of the following statements about eutrophication is correct? Option A. It happens when too much carbon enriches the water, causing excessive growth of bacteria and reduces the growth of plants. Option B. It happens when too less nitrogen is present in the water, causing reduces the growth of plant and algae. Option C. It is a beneficial process for environment restoration. Option D. It happens when too much nitrogen enriches the water, causing the excessive growth of plants and algae. Option D. It happens when too much nitrogen enriches the water, causing the excessive growth of plants and algae is the correct answer. Fourth question. What is the study of the interactions between living organisms and their environment called? Option A. Biology. Option B. Geology. Option C. Ecology. Option D. Chemistry. Option C. Ecology is the correct answer. Fifth question. What is the term for the maximum population size that an environment can sustain indefinitely? Option A. Ecological niche. Option B. Carrying capacity. Option C. Biotic potential. Option D. Pioneer species. Option B. Carrying capacity is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which Greek term was first used by the Ernst Haeckel in 1866 to refer the relation of animals to both the organic as well as the inorganic environment? Option A. Ethnology. Option B. Ecophagy. Option C. Ecology. Option D. Oology. Option C. Ecology is the correct answer. Seventh question. Select the correct statement about climax community. Option A. It is an ecological community in which populations of plants or animals which are very unstable and exist for very few. Option B. It is the very first community of ecosystem. Option C. It is an ecological community in which populations of plants or animals remain stable and exist in balance with each other and their environment. Option B. It consists only a plant population that makes a new ecological system. Option C. It is an ecological community in which populations of plants or animals remain stable and exist in balance with each other and their environment is the correct answer. Eighth question. The Environment Protection Act 1986 empowers the Dash to establish authorities charged with the mandate of preventing environmental pollution in all its forms. Option A, the state government. Option B, the central government. Option C, Supreme Court. Option D, municipalities. Option B, the central government is the correct answer. Ninth question. Which industry labors are most prone to cytosilicosis disease? Option A, electric. Option B, computer. Option C, dairy. Option D, cement. Option D, cement is the correct answer. Cytosilicosis is caused by silica. It is an occupational hazard, very common in cement factory workers. 10th question. In the context of environment, the term dirty dozens refers to option A, 12 ozone layer depleting substance. Option B, 12 persistent organic pollutants. Option C, 12 most harmful greenhouse gases. Option D, 12 most degraded ecosystem. Option B, 12 persistent organic pollutants is the correct answer. The dirty dozen refers to the initial 12 persistent organic pollutants identified by the Stockholm Convention, including pesticides like DDT and industrial chemicals like PCBs, which are known for their persistence and toxicity. 11th question. How many sustainable developments are there in the UNGA Agenda 2030? Option A, 14. Option B, 15. Option C, 16. Option D, 17. Option D, 17 is the correct answer. They main aim at eradicating poverty in all forms and seek to realize the human rights of all and achieve gender equality. 12th question. The National Green Tribunal came into existence. Option A, 18th October 2010 is the correct answer. The National Green Tribunal has been established on 18-10-2010 under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. 13th question. What is the major environmental concern arising from the rapid urbanization and construction activity in Indian cities, contributing to frequent floods, loss of biodiversity, and reduced water retention capacity? Option A, deforestation. Option B, wetland degradation. Option C, air pollution. Option D, noise pollution. Option D, wetland degradation is the correct answer. 14th question. Which of the following process in sewage treatment plants and effluent treatment plants is used to remove nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from the wastewater, preventing an eutrophication in receiving water bodies? Option A, chemical coagulation. Option B, biological nitrogen remover. Option C, sludge digestion. Option D, filtration and chlorination. Option B, biological nitrogen removal BNR is the correct answer. 15th question. Which of the following recycling techniques is used to recover metals from solid waste, especially from e-waste or discarded electronics? Option A, mechanical separation. Option B, pyrometallurgical process. Option C, composting. Option D, hydrometallurgical process. Option C, pyrometallurgical process is the correct answer. 16th question. Signing countries are expected to decrease the manufacture and use of hydrofluorocarbons by about 80 to 85% from their respective baseline by 2045. The rationale is that while HCF does not have much impact on depletion of ozone layer, they are by powerful greenhouse gases and hence contribute significantly to global warming. Which of the following is described in this passage? Option A, Agenda 21. Option B, Kigali Agreement. Option C, Berne Convention. Option D, Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. Option B, Kigali Agreement is the correct answer. 17th question. Which of the following ecological pyramids is upright in the case of pond ecosystem? 1. Pyramid of number. 2. Pyramid of biomass. 3. Pyramid of energy. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Pyramid of biomass for pond ecosystem is inverted. Pyramid of number and pyramid of energy for pond ecosystems are always upright. Pyramid of energy is always upright for any type of ecosystem. Pyramid of number for tree ecosystem is inverted. 18th question. Which species are pioneering and found in primary ecological succession number? Option E, algae and corals. Option B, lichens and mosses. Option C, herbs and shrubs. Option D, trees and mosses. Option B, lichens and mosses is the correct answer. 19th question. In which year Forest Conservation Act was passed? Option E, 1986. Option B, 1990. Option C, 1980. Option D, 1988. Option C, 1980 is the correct answer. Here comes the last question for this section. Which is the largest contributor of greenhouse gas emissions? Option A, transport. Option B, agriculture. Option C, manufacturing. Option D, electricity and heat production. Option D, electricity and heat production is the correct answer. That's it for today's MCQs on environmental and ecology. All these questions were taken from the previous year exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. I will be back with more important questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.